I'm back. What I've discovered is right about here inside the fender there's a piece of foam, dense foam, that travels down a ways, and I'm going to try and put the PL259 over the top of that foam and bring it down into the door frame and enter there. So you won't be able to see this in the camera. So I'll bring it back once that's in there, and then you'll see from the other side what the result was. We'll be back shortly. I don't know if you can see that or not. The lighting isn't the best, but I chose to put a 1/4 inch diameter wire loom over the RG58 cable. I noticed as it was coming into the hood area, there's a sharp edge on the fender there that it may very well rub against, and I'm not sure what's going to go on inside the door frame when I bring it in right about here. I still have to fish it to the other side of the door hinge, and then temporarily I'm going to run it down along beside these mats and to the back. And my initial plan is to mount the radio underneath the rear seat. The radio I bought for this install is a Yaesu FTM 400 XDR. So I'm gonna fish this stuff right now, and then I think I'm probably gonna wrap it up for today. The off to the northwest is looking pretty dark, and I think it's fixing to rain some. So I just want to get this cable inside the vehicle and get the door closed and the hood closed, and we'll go back at it tomorrow or maybe later today. We'll see how it goes. So we'll fish this and see what happens. Probably won't be able to see much, but I'll leave it run while I'm doing it. In the previous video, I was reviewing it, and all you could see was my back and my shirt. I don't know if you can see the coax with the 1/4 inch wire wrap around it as it goes behind the doorpost, but this video should give you a better idea of how I did it, at least temporarily. I brought it in just below the middle door hinge. I come into the cab, and I went down underneath the rubber floor mat, and I'll get out of the way. You can see where the coax protection ended, that length I used, and then I went into the back. We'll pause it right here. So here it is in the back. It went under the mat along the doorpost, and it comes out of the mat, works its way up, and ends up in the WeatherTech under seat organizer. More to come. I'm back for a short minute. Hopefully there's enough battery power. I wanted to show you that piece of sharp metal right there. That's why I decided to put this wire loom on there, because I'm afraid that sharp edge would dig into the RG58 coax. And I put a tram NMO cover on there because I'm not ready to actually install the antenna yet and want to protect it from the rain, moisture. Well, that's it for now. Have a great day. This part 2 completes the antenna install videos. Next set of videos should be on the installation of the power from the battery to the radio body location under the rear seat on the passenger side. Thanks for watching.